We have an important story on insurance. Anjali, have you ever thought that after 22nd September, now government has announced from 18% to 0%, retail insurance, there will be no GST. But who will bear the brunt?
That was the big debate, whether it will be the insurance companies that will absorb this or will they pass it on to the customers?
Yes, and our in-house insurance expert, my colleague Anurag Shah, has answer for that. That companies are debating whether or not to absorb this themselves, and specifically New India Assurance is going to do that. Anurag, over to you. Who will bear the brunt?
So, in case of New India will bear the complete burden of GST reduction, the ITC component, and New India Assurance will pass on the complete benefit to policy holders from 22nd of September, and the ITC impact will be borne by the insurance company only, and there will be no change in distribution cost, distribution commission, intermediaries commission, agent commission. So commission structure will remain same, and impact of input tax credit will be borne by New India Assurance. As a New India Assurance, a PSU company, is a market leader having the highest market share in general insurance space, and New India 46% of the overall book is of retail insurance book, retail health book. Out of that 46%, 46% is the book of total health insurance book, and in that 46%, 15 to 20% is retail health. So of overall New India's insurance book, 10% book is of retail health insurance book, and that will be impacted because of reduction of GST from 18% to nil. But New India Assurance has taken a decision that the complete benefit of GST reduction will be passed on. So GST waiver will be there for the New India policy holders. So for example, if any New India policy holder was paying 11,800 as a insurance premium, but after 22nd September, policyholder will pay 10,000, which is the base premium only, and GST will be waived off. Just a while back, we spoke to New India CMD also, and she also confirmed this development. Let's listen in.
Consumers will not be, we'll be giving them the premium net of this GST. So basically, the entire 18% reduction benefit will go to the customers. The GST, the input tax credit issue is there, so we are going to absorb that cost to our own balance sheet, and will not be passing it on to the customers. So neither will pass it on to our agents, who are our own, people who have worked with us for a very long time. So we will not be altering the commission structure for them also. And we feel that we should join hands with the government in this venture, and see that health insurance is penetrated across the length and breadth of the country. And we encourage as many customers to buy this product, so that health becomes, they get protected for at least health.